Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In this video, you will learn how you can download the ETrade app on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection and let's head in towards the App Store to download the app. In the above search bar, you can just type in ETrade. The various of search results will appear in your screen. The first one is the sponsored one. Let's click on the second one. Just remember the logo and tap the gate to start the download process. It will ask for your identity verification, verify your identity, and the download has been started. Look at the progress bar. It may take few minutes to load as per your ISP. Now the app has been installed. Let's click on open to start trading with the ETrade. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching video. This is the app on your device now. You can just explore the app by yourself. You can log on to your account if you have previously logged on to your account, or you can open the new account by clicking open an account. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.